Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make cinnamon swirl coffee cake donuts. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then lightly grease 2 donut pans and set them aside for now. Then to make the cinnamon sugar filling in a small bowl, add in the sugar and cinnamon and whisk them until they're combined and set it aside for now. Then to make the crumb topping in a medium bowl, add in the flour, sugar, brown sugar, cinnamon, and nutmeg, and whisk them together until they're combined. Then add in the cold cubed batter, and use a pastry cutter or your fingers to cut it into the mixture until it's combined and crumbly. And set it aside for now. Then to make the doughnut batter in a large bowl, add in the cake flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt, and whisk them until they're combined. Then add in the buttermilk, eggs, canola or vegetable oil, and vanilla extract, and mix them together until they're just combined. Don't overmix the batter, lumps are fine. Then add a small amount of the batter into each donut cavity, filling it up no more than halfway. Then sprinkle a teaspoon of the cinnamon sugar evenly over the top of each one. Top each one with more batter. Then use a chopstick or skewer to swirl them together. Then sprinkle the crumb topping on top. Then bake them in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the middle of one of them comes out clean. When they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool in the pan for 15 minutes. Then place them onto a cooling rack and let them cool completely. And that's how to make cinnamon swirl coffee cake donuts. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.